What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're in the Hellcat again. I've been loving the Hellcat a little bit too much. That's why I'm making more videos of it. But I'm also at the spot where Paul Walker died, man. Rest in peace, man. It's so sad. I still can't believe it happened here. Like crap, dude. Like he must have just been full sending it. Nah, dude, that's still so sad. I still can't believe it. I remember watching the movies, so hyped up, and then when I heard I still remember the day he passed away too. Crazy, man. But enjoying the car, driving safely. You know, just blessed to live another day, because you know every day you're on the road, man. You know, you're driving a car is risky. You know, a lot of things can happen when you drive your vehicle. So make sure you guys are all staying safe out there. What the heck? What's happening right there? It looks like, I don't know, whatever, dude. So I've had this car for what, 3 years now, so that's an easy buff. I can easily buff that out. But I hope you guys are doing good, man. I hope you guys are grinding out what you do, what you enjoy. You know, this year, look, another year's went by like nothing. So, you know, whenever this discipline is involved, man, and it's hard, there's actually a Bible verse that talks about discipline and it being hard. It's a blessing, man. Every time a job's hard, you guys need to rejoice, because that's why most people fail. That's why making money nowadays is not a hard thing, because anything that's hard, people just give up. Like, that's amazing. That's awesome. All you gotta do is literally enjoy the struggle. You gotta learn to literally enjoy the struggle, and you'll succeed no matter what. Like, dude, buying these two cars, bro, this is nothing. Like, buying these two cars, this is nothing, bro. This was like, I knew this was gonna happen. My main plan is supercars and affording that easily. That's why right now you don't see me buying anything new. I'm like being so conservative and growing in what I do and what I'm best at, which is, you know, service engineer on CNC machines. I'm like totally putting all my efforts in that. But anyways, enough yapping. I'm gonna take a little cruise for you guys to enjoy it. Windy out, so I don't know if the microphone's like picking. I think the microphone's going to be too, like, you know, when it's too windy, it low-key makes like a weird, like, you know, it makes like a windy noise. I don't want that, you know. But I hope all you guys are doing good, man. Hope you guys are pursuing something. Like I said, I say this every day because it's gonna be hard, man. It's gonna be hard. Damn, I'm like barely pushing it right now too. It's so, that's why I like enjoy this car. Like, this car feels good, even like when you're not sending it. Just fun. Not like the M5. M5 is way too smooth. Oh my gosh. But low-key at this week, bro, I went under the weather. Only for like a day, luckily, but it was still brutal. That day, it was just, I was going through it, and there was so much work. So working when I have like a super insane fever, it's not fun, bro. It like sucks. The reason I'm doing little baby pulls because I want to warm up the engine a little bit more. I really take care of these cars, bro. That's why these cars last so long. Dude, what the fudge? Bro, people are going crazy here. What the heck? I feel like every time I come in, oh, these are all new tires. You can tell these guys, I low-key wouldn't be happy. I don't know, would I mind this? It just looks kind of ghetto, you know? It's like, I feel like if I was to see this, it would be still like, if I own a shop here and paying like 30, dude, shops here like 40, 30,000 a month. So I can see why people get pissed, you know? I get it. But I'm excited, man. Next week's Christmas. I love Christmas. I'm just excited for like 5 years down the line, because right now, dude, everything I'm doing in the next 5 years, bro, oh my gosh, I don't even care about blowing up at YouTube. I'm gonna be posting everything no matter what, for myself and for my future kids, and just for the future, you know? Because I'm gonna be real, like, I already know life's gonna get boring, even when I have the money, the cars. But looking back and like seeing all these memories, I feel like I'm gonna be spending more time reminiscing. Not in regret, but like more just like, man, like, you know, back then everything was so nice. I didn't have anything, so I worked harder for it. Because I feel like when you don't have something, you know, you work towards it, it gives you that kind of like that purpose, like you gotta grind towards something, you know. But then once you get it, it's like you get used to it. So I already know that's gonna happen, bro. The one thing I will say though is like eating food never gets old. That's for sure. Eating food never gets old. Like out of all the things I've ever done in my life, bought, everything that's changed my life, going out to get food at like places I love to eat never get boring. So I know that's gonna stay. But just like, it's gonna be nice to look back, and you guys should be doing the same thing. You know, you gotta work so hard right now that you know you're gonna look back like, man, like I remember those days where, you know, before you had everything, you know. Because you will get used to, once you get money, bro, you will get used to it, bro. And I'm sure all of us that's watching wants to be successful, you know. It's not always even about starting your own business, just like even having a really good career and you're set for life and nothing can replace it, that's even better in my opinion. You know, me starting the business was like more of a personal thing than anything else. And, you know, giving people the opportunity was like my biggest, that's the main reason why I would say I would even pursue going on my own. It's such a good feeling knowing that I give people the same opportunity. Like nobody in this industry cannot say, I'm gatekeeping. Literally, I'm not. Like, I'm like, it's crazy. Like, I paid these guys the same as I got paid working for a corporation. Car allowance, health insurance, the pay is the exact same. Ooh. And if you want to make more, you gotta learn more. That's the same thing it was back then, you know. The more I knew, the more I started making. Dude, what a perfect street. I definitely cannot wait to be looking back, like even like 10 years from now, once I get all my favorite cars, and be looking back at it, because that's why I talk like, that's why I talk in my videos, man. It's like I want to be able to watch back and hear myself, my train of thoughts, because even looking back like 2.5 years ago, it's a trip. It's a little bit of a trip, because I remember where I was, my skill set, and dude, holy moly, I've doubled my experience. Like I know so much more now than ever before. It's unbelievable. Supercharged wine never gets old, man. And the good part is that any of you guys that want these cars, they're dropping down in value every year. So just be smart with your money, invest. Just make sure you have more money in investments than the total value of your cars. That's like my rule of thumb, and it's the best thing I've ever did. Because at the end of the day, bro, you only live once. So I'm not trying to be saving for the rest of my life. Not be sending it either. That sounds so good. I've taken this car through the cans once. Definitely never doing that again. It was just boring. These mountains are so beautiful, man. Like one thing about Germany is like when there's not mountains, it's low-key kind of depressing. But wherever there's mountains, it's so, they just like do something about the mountains. I don't know. When you have the mountains and you go back to not having mountains, it sucks, you know. Like when I was in Chicago, dude, oh my gosh, I hated my life. It is so depressing there. Like it's cool. It's definitely chill, like, but I can't live there, bro. Oh my gosh. When I first moved there, I didn't have friends. I was just there for work, and I was just playing video games the whole time, bro. And even video games got super freaking boring, so I had no clue what to do. Out of all the cars I've been in, driven in, even the McLaren sounds sick. They're expensive. Somewhat unreliable. I mean, pretty much unreliable. Once you start modding it, that's a no-go for me, bro. If I ever was to get a McLaren, I need exhaust tune like first freaking day. Shifts feel so good. That's why I feel like I would love it as a J, because they feel like they shift super aggressively, and that's how this car feels, and I love it. It's such a good feeling. Third gear pulls scary, bro. It's scary how it pulls at the end. Thank you guys for supporting my videos, man. I mean, we're still getting consistent, same views as been. That for me, that's all I care about. Like seeing the same. My goal is not to grow crazier now. I want to. Wait, what the heck? Oh, it's a Corvette. My goal is not to grow to a whole nother level and like become YouTube famous. Now I don't even care about making income, but it's nice knowing that it's like I can get over 1,000 views doing what I. But it's nice knowing that I can get like 1,000 views just making POVs. For me, I'm happy with that. And then of course I have a friend that has a McLaren, and you know, pulling 10,000 views with McLaren, that's normal. Pulling a couple thousand views with Hellcat, that's normal, you know. So if it's just for pulling basic views, I mean, then just do POVs. You know what I mean? If I'm trying to get over a mil, I gotta be completely different. And honestly, I don't care too, man. I really don't. I enjoy just driving, talking. Like if I'm being for real. This is all to look back in time. I'm gonna be real. Like I'm trying to look back at this. I'm trying to look back at this like 10 years from now, and that's it. This is like my own like storage, but I don't have to save anything on my phone. I just upload it. Look, bro, where's LA, bro? LA's gone. LA's all behind the mountain that's over there. That's why I love this area, bro. This is like, yeah, LA's brutal, politics suck, but Texas sucks everywhere pretty much, bro. Like Colorado's a beautiful state, horrible taxes. I mean, Florida, yeah, maybe, I don't know, man. There's just not enough work there for me. That's the only issue. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And keep pursuing your dreams, keep pursuing your goals. Don't let hard work make you give up, and pursue Christ, because you never know when your last day is. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.